much talking. Ain't that much talking.
Stood on the phone about 45 minutes and said you had to leave.
Spider climbed to the top. He made a silky web and spun it without a stop. Then came the wind and blew it all away. See spider started it again.
So stupid.
Spider climbed the curtain rail. Along came a mouse and licked him with a tail. Down the spider, the mouse ran out the door. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up
Eric
the
called me. He said he was taking the Martin King Hospital for PTSD.
Subscribe to Little Angel.
How the hell you get PTSD?